New dawn, new morning here in Tora school, and I decided to take a break from the repotting. So today I will style this Scots pine. This tree already has quite a history as bonsai, and it is quite hard to believe from what material came from. But now the tree is obviously overgrown and desperately needs a rewiring. I won't bore you with cutting off the wire, just 3 shots. And here we are with the tree without wire. And now it is even more obvious that this tree needs a restyling. I didn't remove old needles during the cutting off the old wire. I will do it now because I want to compact the tree also with cutting back the branches as much as possible. So I will start with cutting off the long leggy branches. Now the first branch is ready to wire, and during this process I will remove the remaining old needles. There are always questions about timing. We are at the beginning of the spring here, so maybe you have noticed that the buds on this tree started to swell. So we catched the last moment for such work on this tree. When the buds will start to grow and develop the candles, the styling work on such trees will be postponed until the new needles will harden up. The bottom branches are now wired and set into the position. Maybe they seem too wide and out of the proportion for this height of the tree. But this is intentional. I intend to slightly change the character of this tree. I will solve this problem with lifting a little bit the top like this. And with that I will bring the height and the height of the tree back into the proper proportion. Okay, so let's do the lifting of the top. Okay, let me just clean the surface and the pot, and we will be ready for the final shot. Meanwhile, I can show you what is going on with the new bridge, the story that we started in the last episode. So, let us look at the river. They are still working on the foundations, but I can show you how the new bridge will look. This is how the old one looked. And this is how the new one will look. And I must say that I like it. Now we are ready for some final thoughts. If I am thinking what material this tree was at the beginning, it is almost hard to believe that this is the same tree, but it is. This tree went through several steps of development and now is starting to shine. All those years of hard work were not the waste of time. The result is just great. Thank you all for all your support. If you want, you can click the thanks button below, or you can become the member of our channel, and with that you can have early access to our videos. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.